In Chhattisgarh region, the wind blowing in summer season is called Chinook Sirocco Cyclone Lu. Explanation: the correct answer is Lu. Lu is a strong, dusty, hot, and dry summer wind from the west which blows over the Indo-Gangetic plain of North India and Pakistan. While primarily associated with states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Rajasthan, the heat wave conditions and associated hot winds, locally referred to as Lu, also affect parts of Chhattisgarh during the peak summer season, April to June. Chinook is a warm, dry wind found in North America. Sirocco is a Mediterranean wind. Cyclone is a large-scale weather system with rotating winds. Lu is the specific term for the hot, dry summer winds in the North Indian Plains region, which extends into parts of Chhattisgarh.